Main features of AGE. The main features of the autonomous gear economy include enhancement of individual autonomy and responsibility. In the autonomous gear economy, individuals have greater autonomy and responsibility. Decision-making authority is decentralized to the community level, with each member participating in the economic decision-making process, achieving democratized economic management. Emphasis on the exchange of commodities and services. Compared to traditional monetary transactions, the autonomous gear economy places more emphasis on the exchange of commodities and services. Community members can jointly establish a standardized price for each commodity and service, reducing financial system intervention, lowering transaction costs, stabilizing prices, reducing inflation, and improving economic efficiency. This direct exchange meets the diverse needs of members, encouraging the economical use of resources. Emphasis on community collaboration and shared objectives. The autonomous gear economy places a strong emphasis on community cooperation, mutual aid, and shared objectives. Members establish closer ties, and a sense of community helps stabilize and sustain the economic development of the system. This cooperative emphasis makes the economic system more resilient, enabling it to better adapt to changes in the external environment.